All right, people, here we go. Your test this time is a video, so don't forget. If you ever forget exactly what you need for each question, you're gonna always rewind the video and go back and see what you need to include. So if you turn something in and say, oh, I didn't know I was supposed to label the bonds on that one, now it could be like, well, you could play the video again, right? You can do it. Here we go. All right, you are going to turn in pictures of molecules that you drew. So you're drawing this. This is a drawing test. And you'll turn in pictures for me. There's a total of 7 problems. So if you did 2 problems per page, you'd be turning in 3 or 4 pictures. Please turn them in order, and please make sure they're oriented correctly. Like, I don't want to have to turn the computer sideways to grade yours. That's not fair to me. So make sure you spin the picture and it's up and down when I get it. So here we go. Problem number 1. I want you to draw CO2. All right? When you draw CO2, I need you to draw it. I need you to label the shape. I need you to label it as polar or nonpolar. I need you to make sure you include all unbound pairs and label all of the interior bonds. Label them. Also, since this has carbon, I want you to show the hybridized orbitals for carbon. You know, its new electron level diagram. And number 2. Number 2 would be aluminum bromide. I need you to draw this. I need you to draw this. I need you to label the shape. You can label all the interior bonds. Make sure you include all of the unbound pairs. And I need you to label this as polar or non-polar, all right? Number 3. Number 3 is C2H2. You cannot label the shape on this one, but you can draw it correctly. I need you to include all the unbound pairs. I need you to make sure you label all of the interior bonds. And then you can tell me if this is polar or non-polar. And for this one, I'm also, you may have guessed it, I need you to show me the hybridized orbitals for carbon, all right? Because this has 2 carbon atoms. So show me what the new electron level diagram for those carbons would be. All right, number 4. Number 4, let's do carbon tetrafluoride. And I need you to draw this. I need you to label the shape. I need you to make sure you include all the unbound pairs, label all the interior bonds. And I need you to let me know if this is polar or non-polar, okay? I'm going to move on. Number 5. Number 5, NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. I need you to draw this. I need you to include all the unbound pairs. I need you to label all the interior bonds. I need you to label the shape. I need to know if it is polar or non-polar. And I also need this. If there's a bunch of these, what types of intermolecular bonds would hold a bunch of these together? What types of intermolecular bonds would hold a bunch of those together? All right, number 6. Number 6, you've got H2O, you got water. I need you to draw it. I need you to include any unbound pairs. I need you to label all the interior bonds. I need you to label the shape. I need you to tell me if it is polar or non-polar. And number 7 is N2, nitrogen gas. I need you to draw this. I need you to label the shape. I need you to label all the interior bonds and show the valence, unbound valence electrons. I need you to say if it is polar or non-polar. And then with this one, I need you to tell me what types of intermolecular bonds would hold a bunch of these together. If you had a bunch of nitrogen gas and you turned it into a liquid, what types of bonds will be responsible for holding these molecules together if they were a liquid? And that's it. If you can't remember what to do for each problem, rewind the video back, okay? Because some of them I ask you for the hybridized orbitals of carbon, and some of them I ask you for intermolecular bonds. Other than that, just make sure you draw the shape, label it, write polar or nonpolar, label all the interior bonds, all the intramolecular bonds, and just put everything you can put on there, everything you know about that picture. That's the safest way to play it. Turn these into me as pictures, and good luck.